Hey guys, showing you this outdoor privacy screen, 42.5" in height, 47.2" in the width. It's a privacy fence with a metal, so you can see there's a metal fencing and nice metal with just to fix. So you have to join this, and after joining, this looks like this. So you can give appropriate height. So there are different panels, so you have to join and combine. So this is like for the trash enclosure, AC unit, metal height fence, or outdoor for the patio, yard, lawn. So this is a nice like the fencing to protect, and this have this space for the air circulation. So this one is nice design. So this comes with all hardware. This is the all unboxing. These are the things that goes into the ground to hold the fencing. You can see it's all metal. So you have to just add in you know in the lower ground, and then you can just screw it up. So there are the screws that comes with it. So these are the screws and the hinges that you can put. So this is a rust proof with coated finish, and the adjustable hinge for the angled replacement. So I installed it. After the installation, this looks like this. So I'm just putting it outside just to protect, and you can see this is gone more into the ground, but for me this one is enough, but you can put in more. It's up to you. And this holds really well for the air circulation also, or the water. So it's a nice design and the nice fencing with privacy, or safety of your stuff. So these are totally 3 panel, and everything is supplied.